If you have a Hayward AquaRite salt system and you have no flow while your pump is running, this is how you troubleshoot it. So the first thing that you're going to do is you got to make sure that that's plugged in all the way. It's like the telephone plug-in. Make sure it's plugged in all the way. Second is the cord. Feel all of the cord. Mice love to chew those, and it happens. So make sure there's no nicks or cuts on them. Sometimes this will come on if you need a backwash or your filter's clean. So make sure that you have good flow coming out of the pool. If it slows down at all, if the pool slows down, the light could come on. Because there's the flow switch right there, and that can prevent it being pushed right against it. So what we're going to do to see if it's the actual board on here or the actual switch that we need to replace, I'll show you a trick. So under here, just follow the line, and there's a little tab. Unplug that. There's the little tab. Where is it? Right there. Pull that, plugs out, just like the old phone cords. Pull that out. Slotted screwdriver. Now there's two little pins sticking out like this. So when you put the screwdriver in there, we want to jump it. So don't worry, you're not going to get electrocuted. It's low voltage. So when you get it in there, it's flashing, that's what you want. So we're touching it. See if it goes away. There we go. And you got to make sure that it's on. Well, if you have that light should be on anyway. Oh, I just came off of it a bit. So you can try it where you just take it off. And it's back on now because it's flashing. And I have it in super chlorinate. There you go. So it's a bad switch. So you got to replace the flow switch.